Venmo credit card honest review. So, the first thing that you want to do is know that the Venmo credit card offers 3% cash back on your highest spending category each month. Over here, you get 2% on your second highest category and 1% on all other purchases. After that, rewards are automatically deposited into your Venmo account, which makes redeeming easy for purchases, bills, or transferring to friends. Then, the card includes a built-in QR code to split bills and accept payments within the Venmo app. Over here, it has no annual fee or foreign transaction fees, making it cost-effective and traveler-friendly. After that, it doesn't have a sign-up bonus or introductory APRA, and the regular APRA ranges from 15.24% to 24.24%, which might be less appealing if you carry a balance. Pros: 3% cash back on highest spending category. Rewards deposited directly into Venmo account. Built-in QR code for easy bill splitting and payments. No annual fee. No foreign transaction fees. Cons: no sign-up bonus. No introductory APRA. High regular APRA could be costly if balance is carried. Limited premium perks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.